Thank you for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we have a special guest, a 1972 Chevy Nova SS 4-speed with a Skyroof. Very rare car here. We actually have part of a build sheet as well. Come on up and let's take a look at this dynamic vehicle. Check out this wonderful, exquisite 350 motor that is absolutely runs like a Swiss watch. It has front power disc brakes. It has a 373 Posi Rear end. Approximately 12,300 Nova SS cars were built in '72, and from what I found out with lots of reading, only around 100 of these SS cars had Skyroofs. So how many can be left on the planet? So this is a very special, rare unit. I'm going to drop the hood. We're going to take a look at the paint and go for a ride. Now, how many 72 Novas have you done this with? I got to say, this is my first time. Man, it's a nice view from up here. But anyways, come check out the paint on this beauty. Absolutely gorgeous, dark green metallic paint that is just jaw-dropping. You got to remember, call Tom today for buy it now at 248-974-9513. This car's right out of California. You can tell by the absolute gun barrel straight metal, and it is just absolutely stunning. We're going to walk you around, show you the sanitary trunk and the drop-dead gorgeous interior. Check out the beautiful trunk, very solid, very clean. All the lips are perfect on the trunk lid, door jambs, everything. Really, really clean, stunning car, guys. Very, very rare vehicle. This would complete any Chevy collection. And I gotta say, this has plenty of power. It is absolutely wonderful. What a beautiful interior. Look at all the seams. Everything's just absolutely phenomenal in this car. Interior is like brand new. You got your seat belts, 4-speed, SS. Unbelievable car, guys. Call Tom today. We can answer any questions at 248-974-9513 to get this beautiful Skyroof in your front drive. let's go for a ride in this car. I gotta tell you, even when I got in, the fasten seatbelt buzzard was on because I didn't put on my seatbelt right away. It's unbelievable. Just like driving the car the day it rolled off the factory floor. Just an awesome driving car. Awesome shifting, disc brakes. The Skyroof is just absolutely awesome. You gotta call Tom today. This car will not last. It's